Hi, I'm Ryan Szymanski, curator for Battleship New Jersey Museum and Memorial. Today we are answering a fan question from the comments about why there are X's, Y's, Z's, random letters painted on doors and fittings and stuff throughout the ship. What the heck does that mean? And a number of you have asked this question, so we're answering it with its own video. So, every fitting, doors, portholes, even some valves are labeled with a letter, usually X, Y, Z, or W. And these are the different watertight conditions under which that fitting is allowed to be open. So, X is called X-ray, Y is called yoke, and Z is called zebra. This follows the World War II era phonetic alphabet. It does not follow the modern phonetic alphabet, in which Y would be Yankee. So when they started doing the lettering this way, they just kept the same phonetics, and so that carries on to the modern Navy, even though it doesn't fit with modern NATO phonetics. Just ignore that part. Fittings labeled with X's are things like exterior doors, sometimes portholes, oftentimes, and those are things that are almost always closed. But if you're in port and you're not setting any of your material conditions, they might be open for ventilation. Most doors and interior fittings tend to be labeled with a Y. That means that under most conditions, those can be open, just left open so that people can freely move about the ship. But under certain conditions, they will be closed for watertight integrity. Z's are things that are usually left open and rarely closed, and it would be more of a general quarters thing that you're closing that to seal it off. And then W's tend to be a lot of the air vents and fittings like that that are almost always left open unless you absolutely have to make the ship both watertight and airtight, such as during NBC warfare, nuclear, biological, or chemical. In addition to the lettering system, those letters may have some other symbol around them. For example, you'll often see the letter Z with a D around it, the dog Zulu marking. That means that whenever you set darkened ship, you would have to close that fitting. So exterior doors tend to be dog Zulus. Battle port covers, the armored cover that goes over a porthole, are always dog Zulu fittings, so that if you don't want light to get out at night, you set dog Zulu and that's closed. You might also see circles around X's, Y's, Z's, that sort of stuff. And that means that you can, during general quarters, pass through that fitting to get to your battle station or from your battle station, or sometimes a circle Zulu, the captain will allow, he will give special permission to allow mess personnel to go through those doors to feed the crew because they're at general quarters for an extended period of time, or he'll give permission for the crew to leave battle stations to go to certain bathrooms, and they can pass through circle fittings at that time. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions about stuff you see in the background of our videos or other things relating to these ships, drop them in the comment section down below and we'll get back to you. We're pretty good about either answering in person or, for questions like this that many of you have, creating a video for it. Remember, if you suggest a video idea, it can take a month or more for us to film it, edit it, and throw it into the rotation of already filmed videos to get it out there. So if you suggest something and you don't see it right away, we're not ignoring you. The battleship receives operating support from the New Jersey Department of State. We also receive support from viewers like you. There's a link in the description to our GoFundMe campaign where you can donate money to not only support the museum, but to specifically support our YouTube channel and the work we're doing with these videos. We appreciate the support. We recently bought a new microphone so that you can hear me a little bit better while we record in these steel box echo chambers that make up the rooms on the ship. Thank you for your support there. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. We try to put out new content several times a week. So if you don't want to miss when we're putting out a new video, click all those icons down below. Thanks for watching.